So my good friend Ben showed me that my chair was a little bit loose and a little bit rocky. As you can see, it's pretty stable. And then I had to look at the screws. Oh yeah, made in freaking Japan. Freaking look at that. Yeah, I'll fix those now. There's a wheel, there it is, and a rag. Yeah. Take the B series out for a rip tonight. We don't know what we're doing, but my rear main might be leaking. I don't know any questions can ask. Alright, well anyways, I'm gonna clean the inside of the car because the inside of the car's filthy dirty. So we'll do that now.
Pain?
Yeah, welcome back to my MTV, my car. Yeah, there you go.
Tell us about the car.
My name's Nahav, bro, and this is my RX7.
Yeah, what's done to it?
A lot of money to it and shit, and big turbo and shit, you know, fucking rotaries and that, you know. Anyways, bro.
How many pistons?
How many pistons?
Yeah.
Fucking fortnight.
Another day, another EG issue. I just broke down and I don't know where the hell I am, but the car is not in good shape. I don't know why, but every time I tried accelerating, the car would just kind of like cut out. It wouldn't even allow me to rev it for some reason. I think I know the issue because I unplugged some sensor. That sensor there, and now the car fucking wants to run. So I need to get that fixed on the ASAP because that actually ruined my car for some reason. I don't know what we're gonna do because I'm like an hour away from home, so yeah. And it's a new day. A new day and another problem with the EG Civic. Why? Because I don't know why. It kind of just went into a limp mode for some reason. So I'm just gonna take it to my boy at VT, and he's gonna get me done right. If you guys are in the West and you guys want someone that's quick and reliable to work on your project cars, he's worked on a lot of Evos, a lot of Hondas, so he really knows what he's doing. And yeah, quick plug because he does deserve it. But at the same time, my EG is going to him because why? I cannot be bothered because it's like 40 degrees and your boy ain't cut out for that shit. Like, I'm gonna tell you the truth, I can't be fucked. So I'd rather send it to a shop and then we can manual swap the EG at the same time. But yeah, we'll clean that up. The boot's split from the last Toge, and yeah, we'll fix that. So yeah, let's pack up the EG now. Now we go. EG's broken. Nah, actually, it looks alright. It looks good. Bryce, why would you pay $100 for that tree?
I think yes.
So who will do this to their RX7? It's got him. Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Any words?
Nah.
Words of wisdom? Christmas spirit.
What's the Grinch's like?
Oh, bro, we should do that like, bro, that would be funny ass.
Fuck, you can't even see the lights at the moment.
Dude, it's fine. Fine, bro.
I think we should go for a drive. We should get more lights, bro. It's not bright enough.
Trees on. Everyone's attention's looking this way. Thanks, buddy.
Cheers. Where should we park?
Well, now, bro, go do a lap.
We'll do a lap around.
Do a lap, bro.
You pay for it? A lot.
Bro, I'm so amazed it didn't fall off, bro. So amazed. Yeah, she good. I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. I really do hope you enjoyed this video of us slapping a Christmas tree on an RX7. We're only one at the car meet with a Christmas tree on their car, and a lot of people did tell us, they're like, oh, why did you put that on? Bro, like, we did it, it didn't scratch the car, nothing. People just gotta have a little bit more fun. But yeah, we're being a little bit more festive this time of the season. Obviously it's Christmas, and this will probably be the last video of this year, so I just want to say thank you everyone that supported me. Just like to say thank you for just the amount of growth that we had, even though for like the first half of the year I didn't really post that much, but now I'm back on my grind and we've actually growing pretty quick. I'm gonna grind my ass off. Next year is gonna be a better year. I'm gonna manifest this, but at the same time, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of just us, me and Ben, just doing our thing, just coming up with the most stupidest, most randomest ideas, but it was all good fun. But at the same time, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys all have a very safe and a fun Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and can't wait for what the next year has in store. See you guys.